Day today, checking on my plant if it's soaking wet, so it goes okay. Love my succulent. And then I have my 4 o'clock, some of my seedlings here. It's already growing, and this is a rosette. I love this one. And this is the original mother. But it's growing straggly, so I cut them. And then I plant them here, hoping it will start new one. So that's it. This is the one that I started. It's growing already. It's so tiny tiny. Then I have this is the gabi gabi elephant ears that I saved from last winter, and it's starting to show some life. Hooray! It's alive. And it's raining out. Oh, what a beautiful sight. My penis are have a blossoms.